Good morning. This is Steve from the Worley Bugger, and it is Tuesday, March 23rd. Standing on the banks of the river here, just above the KOA boat launch. The river is in very, very good shape for March. As you can see, it is a little high. So wading's going to be a little bit tough. You're going to have to do your homework. Kind of find the spots where you can get in and safely traverse the river. Get to the spots that you can fish. It's always tough for wade fishermen. It's not an easy river to wade to begin with, you know, and then trying to get to the spots where fish are holding this time of year can be extremely difficult. A lot of people in the fly shop in the last week, you know, claiming that the river's not fishing well. That is just not the case. The river is fishing fantastic. Again, it's the Yakima, not an easy river to figure out. There's several different variables, especially this time of year, that you have to look at and learn in order to come and, you know, and find success here. You got to put your time in, you know, or you got to hire a great guide that can teach you all the intricacies of the river. So you either figure it out by yourself, which is great, lots of fun, exactly what we did 25 years ago. Or you hire a professional. So expect the river, you know, to remain in good condition. We are expecting a little bit of rain tomorrow, which may bump the flows a little bit. But as of now, great shape for March. Squallow fishing's still going really well in the farmlands here. We're starting to see lots of blue wings and even a few March browns popping yesterday. So things are going to change food-wise too. You got to give it some thought. What the fish are eating. Not always eating that San Juan worm. So a lot of people get hooked on that San Juan worm. It's not always the ticket. So give us a call at the pro shop if you have any questions. We got a busy week ahead of us. The boys here running full steam. Happy to help you with whatever you got. Any questions that you have, stop by the pro shop. Have a great day.